Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today the video is all about how an 3 kilowatt solar plant is installed at Annamedu village. This building is an green building, and here you can see the structure of this 3 kilowatt plant, and the complete village is green colored, and we implemented green energy on this building. Now let us try to see how the panels are assembled and what kind of technology. Here you can see here these panels are 545 watt peak panels manufactured by the brand Renew, and basically these are bifacial panels. So here 6 numbers, you can see the specification of the panel. Here 6 number of solar panels are used to design this 3 kilowatt plant. So you can see here the output of the first plant is connected to the second panel input. The output of second panel is connected to the input of third panel, and like this it forms an string of 6 connected in series connection. So, and coming to the wiring, all the solar wires are brought to the DC box connected to the smart inverter, which is nothing but grid connected inverter, and output of the grid connected inverter is connected to the AC box, and all the cables are run very carefully, and it is connected to the solar smart meter. So therefore by using this meter we can export the power and import the power, and you can reduce your electricity bill while you have a plant like this. Hope the video is very useful for you. Thank you for watching.